What's up, guys? Solution Shay here. I'm excited today to tell you about this new awesome project. It might be the best white paper I've seen, and it's called the DeFi Trading Club. It's the brainchild of my good friend I've been friends with for a few years now, Rye. He's done a phenomenal job putting this together. It serves a huge need in the crypto industry. And my main point for making the video is to reiterate this point. We are seeking 100 next level thinkers, traders, leaders, and/or serious investors. And you'll see why as I move through the slides. First thing, what is DTC? DeFi Trading Club is an investment club. We are an investment club with a DAO structure. The term investment club is used deliberately because we and the future investment pools, you can read more about that in the white paper, but the investment pools we create are not just limited to crypto. Future investment pools could potentially fund things like the following: stock trading, if there's a stock expert in our 100 members; real estate, if there are real estate experts in our 100 members; potentially in real life businesses like a Chick-fil-A fast food restaurant, if there's a Chick-fil-A expert in our 100 members. Basically, any profitable business or trading opportunity from any of our 100 members become aware of could be in play to become a future investment pool that the club invests into. I'm simply mentioning these examples to reiterate that the only limitations we have in regards to what we can invest into through the club will be determined by the 100 voting members who participate in the DeFi Trading Club private sale pre-sale. This is why you will read seeking 100 next level thinkers, traders, leaders, and/or serious investors in every slide, because the project is going to be successful. Not financial advice, but everything in my body screams is going to be successful. But how big it becomes successful, how fast it will become successful is going to be determined by the quality level of our 100 members. So why next level thinkers, traders, leaders, and/or serious investors? Well, again, we only have 100 seats at our table. So at the very least, we want serious investors who will be voting on our future investment pools and where we will allocate funds to at least be aware and engaged enough to make educated and informed decisions. Now, ideally, we would like to have next level thinkers in the sense we want intelligent people sharing any ideas and strategies they might have for future investment pools that can further help us as a club grow profits, decrease tax liability, etc., to further benefit the wealth building capabilities for our club members. We want next level traders who might be interested in operating their own future investment pool for the club and they will earn 5% of the profits they make. For example, maybe you're really great at trading Bitcoin futures and you're phenomenal at that. Well, you can come to the club, prove it to us. We'll have a system in place that you have to go through. But, okay, we put it to a vote that, let's pretend your name's John. John, proposes he's got a track record of being really successful doing Bitcoin futures. So the club then votes on if we fund that pool. If we fund that pool, let's say it's $100,000. Now you, John, have $100,000 that you can do what you're great at. And we have another person in another pool that's already verified. Maybe that person's great at swing trading. That's all they're doing in that investment pool. Basically, this structure allows us, through next level talented traders, to diversify our wealth, to diversify our investments and build our wealth in a diversified way where everybody's only doing what they're great at. So that's why we want next level traders. Or maybe it's just next level traders in the sense you don't want to run your own investment pool, but you want to be an investor and make passive income, residual income. And so you can share any opportunities you're seeing in our Telegram group, and we'll eventually have a DAO structure with a dashboard and everything. You can share that with other members to make our current traders trading in our other investment pools better and more profitable. Helps you, helps the club, helps everybody. We want leaders in the sense we want people who aren't afraid to share ideas that could lead to a win-win situation for the club and themselves. Again, I'm just reiterating, the only limits we have with the DeFi Trading Club and why Shay's so excited about it is that there are no limits. The only limits we have will be the ones we place upon ourselves. Token upside. From just like looking at it from like owning the DTC token, so how can that be profitable for me? Well, again, I'm going to put links below to the white paper. You do your own due diligence and see all the detailed numbers and how it's structured. But essentially, you can earn residual income from the profits being made from the different investment pools. I think it's every month, along with token price appreciation, because the token value will be algorithmically pegged to the underlying value of the assets in all of our club's investment pools. Example, let's say we start with a $400,000 market cap, and by the end of the next bull run, we have funded several investment pools from profits, and the total value of all the investment pools is now at $4 million market cap. In this scenario, your DTC tokens will appreciate in value by 10x. So that's the upside of, it's the greatest thing in like why I've been a real estate investor and what I look for in projects is I love residual passive income, but I also love long-term appreciation where I feel like the value of the asset in this scenario, the DTC token, can increase in value. And just as the last example, once we have proof of concept, again, the possibilities are limitless. For example, maybe there's other people who find out about us, our technology, and they want to use the technology we built and run their own investment pools with their own people. In this scenario, we, the 100 DTC voters, could decide if we wanted to franchise out the technology with a percentage from this new franchise paying us, DTC holders, and creating us passive income. Now, that's not in the near future, but again, I'm just here to iterate. There are no limits as to what we can accomplish and grow into with the DeFi Trading Club. Next steps. Read the white paper. I've got the link below so you can further familiarize yourself with the project and do your own diligence. Again, none of this is not financial advice. Join our Telegram, link below, and ask any questions you have in there. We have a phenomenal team, and someone will be glad to help you out. Feel free to reach out to me at SolutionShay directly on Telegram or by commenting on this video with any questions, comments you might have as well. Subscribe. I don't create hardly really any videos unless I know they're extremely valuable and it's a project that I'm personally invested in, not financial advice. I'll be putting 20 BNB into this project. And I only share projects that I feel are going to be valuable. So you're not going to get spammed by subscribing. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the Telegram, and let me know if you have any questions and if you found value in this video. Thanks.